Welcome everyone! Today we'll walk you through the easy steps to deposit funds into your account. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Click the deposit button. It's the first simple move to get things started. Step 2. Now, choose the amount you want to deposit. If it's your initial deposit, you'll receive a cash bonus and cash back as a welcome offer. If the predefined options don't suit you, feel free to input your own customized amount. You can deposit anywhere from $100 to $5,000. Step 3. Select your preferred payment method. It's important to note that deposit limits may vary depending on the chosen payment method. Additionally, choosing USDT for deposit grants an extra 10% cash bonus. Last deposit completed. You can check your equity here. Since the cash bonus is tradable, your total equity is calculated as the sum of the deposit amount and the deposit bonus. Now that your deposit is in, dive into the exciting world of trading. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to making a deposit. Happy trading, and may your equity grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, take care.